Welcome to the IntelliVest AI YouTube channel, formerly the Millennial Moneymakers. It's been a while, so happy to dive right into this. So here we are creating a Robinhood Strategies account, and today's video will basically be covering my thoughts on the managed portfolio that Robinhood does. So jumping right into this, it's very easy to make the account. You just answer these questions that I was answering in the beginning of the video, and it only takes a few seconds here to review the answers and create a portfolio for you. So from the answers I provided, the portfolio it generated has 73% stocks and 27% bonds. So thankfully, Robinhood does take care of the diversification for you. And when your portfolio reaches $500, they will start targeting individual stocks for you. So this is what Robinhood decided for my portfolio. If you click the edit button in the top right, you can update your investor profile, which will allow you to adjust the holdings of the stocks and bond percentages dependent on your answers. If you're happy with the account, next step is to fund it. So I just selected to fund it from my Robinhood account, and I chose to put $50 in to start. So from here you hit continue and you'll be prompted to an account agreement. Make sure you read everything thoroughly and opt out of certain things if you'd like to. For example, here I opted out of stock lending. After reviewing all the details, scroll to the bottom and click agree and continue, and then it will allow you to submit your money to fund the managed account. Once you've funded the account, it will take a few days for them to invest the money on your behalf. However, you are able to see where they plan to put your money. As you can see from on screen, the portfolio is well diversified, able to capture upside growth in a bull market and mitigating risk in a bear market. Now I'm going to show you in what my opinion is what makes the Robinhood managed investing account stand out from other automated investing accounts offered by brokerages.
Welcome to your managed account. We're Robinhood Strategies, the team behind your new portfolio. As your advisor, we'll monitor your portfolio daily, adjust it when it drifts too far from your intended allocation, and target opportunities in the market appropriate for you. To keep you in the loop along the way, we'll share regular insights about the market and your investments. Check back here for more after your portfolio is invested. Live, let's talk about how market conditions are impacting your investments. Here's what's top of mind for us. Both interest rates and stock valuations are elevated. Expectations for growth from the biggest companies are also high, so it's more difficult to impress investors. The economic impact of potential trade policies is causing uncertainty. Based on those conditions, we're more focused on companies with both growth and turnaround potential, meaning they have lower valuations relative to their expected earnings. We'll keep you posted on significant market moves and changes in our approach from here. We made some changes to your portfolio. We've been watching markets closely, both from a macro perspective and earnings season. As you might have seen, last Friday's poor job numbers threw the markets for a loop. Not only did the data show less jobs were added to the economy than expected, but it also showed the last few months added much less, like 250,000 jobs less than originally thought. The reliability of the data was called into question, as well as the health of the economy. Before that, markets had already absorbed a Fed that said they weren't ready to lower rates until they saw what tariffs would do to inflation, and on the upside, many good earnings reports. All of this has influenced our analysis and thinking for your portfolio. We believe the labor market is still okay, with growth slowing but layoffs minimal. We think either by pressure or, if growth slows further, the Fed will cut this year, but not until later. And we see companies showing resiliency, but we are still cautious in the near term about the all-time highs and price for perfection valuations some stocks have reached. So what that means for your portfolio is we reduce the international stocks, both Europe and Japan. Now that trade deals are announced and valuations have increased from lows, we took some profits. We reinvested the proceeds into a mix of U.S. large cap through the S&P 500 ETF and Treasury bills to reflect our marginal caution. Earnings season is more than halfway through now. With more inflation data arriving next week, more trade deals coming, a new Fed governor, and a potential battle for government funding, we've got lots more to pay attention to that could impact markets and your investments. We'll be watching and incorporating the new information into our analysis for your portfolio, and we'll keep you in the loop. Be back soon.
If those features weren't cool enough, then click on the Future button on the chart, and it will allow you to see the future projected value of your managed account. Using the bottom slider, you can simulate a one-time deposit, and as you can see here, adding $900 to your portfolio one time could lead to a portfolio worth more than $10,000 in the future. So to summarize my thoughts and opinions on the managed investing account, I'm someone who likes to actively manage their portfolio. However, I think this would be perfect for somebody who just kind of wants to set and forget their money. Or if you're someone like me who has multiple investment portfolios to manage and maintain, this is a nice way to have a set it and forget it strategy as well. Without taking up any more of your time, I hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you did, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Have a great day.